Hey guys, Katya, Nani,
And him.
Nani, here, and we're gonna do another spirit box, and we're out here in the train track
This time.
behind a laundry.
Look at that shoe.
Also,
And there's a dirty shoe right there.
Is, some electric thing is,
And a hotel is. That hotel doesn't look used anymore. Oh, it is used. That's Hampton Inn.
bitch. Look at those. The streaks again. The streaks are here.
Oh no.
Not the streaks.
You can barely see it, but Shane Dawson, go watch his video. It shows it.
My cat got hit by a train.
It is also fucking cold.
It is so cold out here, guys. We love you so much. You better thank us, like, subscribe, and stuff. Share. Tell your friends. Hi, is there anybody here who would like to speak with me? Play? Is there anybody? Oh, it's cold.
The wind is like blowing this side way.
Is there anyone here who would like to speak with us? If you're here, can you say hello? Let's walk this way. Hello? Is there anybody here? What is your name? I don't want to walk. Like, I don't want to walk in the middle of this. Like, what if it drinks?
We're gonna hear it.
Yeah, but they're not actually slow like in the movies and stuff.
Oh, true. We can see it from far. We just have to jump to the side. Be like,
My dumbass is fucking scared. I heard jogger. That's right, I heard jogger. I'm gonna walk on this side. I don't want to get hit. We can hear the train because it's going and plus, and look at the thing. You know the thing? It will shut down.
oh, true.
The thing will close down, you see? And we will hear.
Plus,
What is your name?
we will see a big shit coming right at us.
Look at the dog or a cat running. Where? It just ran that way. Can you tell me your name?
I said 1 second.
Maybe you guys will hear something that we don't. I hear a click.
I like it when it turns off by itself, and we can hear them hella clear.
I know. Okay, that's really bad. You're supposed to hold this.
Katyana.
It said my name. Oh my god, it said my name.
It said her name. Oh my god.
I don't know if you guys can hear that because I wasn't close to the camera. Oh my god.
I heard it.
It said Katyana. Hi. Can you say that again? Can you say Katyanani? Can you say Katyana? God, I wanted to do it again. Oh my god, what about Chucho? Chucho. What about it? Chucho, just say Chucho. To see if they can say it. 1 second, please. What is your name? The person that said my name? Wait, Wait, was it a girl or a man?
It sounded like a girl.
Jazz, is that you?
Say something, please. It's cold.
Which way should we walk? Should we walk left or right? I think I heard left.
Me too. This is right.
No, from my side, where I was standing.
Oh.
Are we going the right way?
Very pretty. Alright, so we...
Is this somebody in the pink outside?
Is there anyone on the train track trying to speak to us? I like what? You like what? Ravens? Same. Is it okay if we record?
I heard beard. Bob.
Beard? Bruh.
Daddy.
It says Natty Daddy. Daddy.
That looks like piss.
Everybody fucking takes fast around here. Beard.
Should we keep walking? Keep walking forward? Do you want us to keep walking forward? Yeah, I see like a ball or something orange. Look. Down there.
Here.
Where it's in the west. You see it? It's like a ball.
Can someone say my name again? These rocks are hurting my feet.
That's why I'm walking on me.
Do any of you guys have anything you would like to tell me? Someone said something about the west.
Oh snap. Is there a balloon?
There's like a balloon over there.
Yeah, that's what I said. Well, we walking far away from the laundry.
We'll go back.
You see it say no trespassing, keep out.
Where?
Right there. Keep out of this or out of there?
Out of there, I guess.
You see? No trespassing, keep out. I hear like something like a train going.
Okay, over here.
It's strong right here. Like a man's voice. Hello?
You heard the window move?
Huh?
You heard the window move?
Oh shit, I saw it.
The curtains of the window move?
Yeah, I saw it.
No, someone's just looking out of it. That's really creepy.
We should take pictures around here and see if we see like any ghosts.
Look, they're looking out of it even more. Holy shit, hell no. That's hella fucking creepy. No, that was closed.
No, they opened it even more. Oh shit, oh shit. You went the wrong way. Oh shit.
Really? I think it paused.
Did it? No. How do you feel?
I feel very tired. That was fucking creepy. Like, they just opened the motherfucking window.
Nobody lived there.
Where is it?
Nobody.
What house was it? They opened like the window and I saw them.
What house?
Then they closed it.
The blue one. Nobody lived in the blue one.
It was the blue one?
No, the other
It was
one.
the one next to the blue one.
Look, nobody lived in the blue one. And you see, look at that shit all over.
That?
Shit. Yeah, the blue one.
I don't even know.
Look.
It was the white one.
That one?
Yeah.
Why does it look like there's someone here? But then out there, there's nothing there.
I was fucking scared, bro, because they opened the curtain.
Katyana.
Then they closed it again. Then they opened it again, like right there, and they thought I didn't see them.
You know why I think it was getting stronger? You see where that truck at?
Mm-hmm.
Look. It looked like somebody died.
It looks like an abandoned truck.
Yeah. That's why. It looked like an abandoned truck. That's why I think it's getting like stronger.
Never again.
Unless I have shoes, because that shit hurt.
No. You
And
wanna switch?
you couldn't run that
You
well.
wanna switch?
Because shoes are big. No,
You should always have like extra shoes in the car.
Mommy. Brian, you have money?
Sí, 5 pesos.
Can you buy us chips, please?
Where?
Family Dollar.
Well, we don't go to McDonald's. Welcome to the
Dollar General's right there.
track.
No, pedimos para dona.
Ahí está mi micro.
Oh, let's go to... Further than my seat. Okay.
Where are we going?
We're going to go buy chips.
Right now with my money?
Yes, it's your money.
Okay, so this is gonna be like a paranormal thing / vlog.
Yeah.
Guys,
It's just $1.
Yo.
we're going to Dollar General. Guys, this is where we were yesterday. It's fashion.
Yeah.
And you were like, where's that near?
Yo.
Go.